Hey guys, Sandy here, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am scrapbooking with my homemade kit for the month of April, and I am going to be using this photo of cream of crab soup, Maryland cream of crab soup, in a bread bowl. So let's see what I can do. Okay guys, I'm back. Now this is the second layout that I have created, and I forgot to hit record. And normally if that happens, I just push it to the side, share it in my whatever layout share I'm doing at the end of the month and make another video. But like I said, this is the second one I've done this to, so guys, I'm just going to share it with you. Now I took two of these papers that I had in my kit, and they were both scraps. So what I did, you can see here, oh look, you're still getting processed because we're going to washi tape together. So what I did here was I cut this one to 4.5 because this was an 8-inch scrap right here. The arrow paper was an 8-inch scrap. So I knew that if I cut it to 4.5, I would have a little bit of overlap, and then I could create a complete 12-inch page. So that's what I did. I then took some washi tape, this washi tape right here, put it over a white piece of paper, trimmed it down. You've seen me do that plenty of times before. And again, I do that because this washi tape is translucent and I want it to be solid. Next, I took a couple of scraps and created a offset photo mat, and that is because neither one of the scraps were large enough for the entire photo to be matted in. So I just created this little offset where half of the photo is matted here, and then the other half of the photo is matted with this one. Next, I took a bunch of stickers and things and just started to create. So I pulled in a doily to mimic the doily that is over here on this side. Then I went through my tags and ephemera and pulled out this frame, backed it with some patterned paper, and just layered it up with other little die cuts and things. Then I took some stickers and I did some layered labels just to give a couple more bits of color and just little pops of interest. I took this cork sticker over here, popped it on top of a banner that said something else that didn't really apply to a bowl of Maryland crab soup, and slapped that bad boy down, added a couple of little hearts, decided to use another cork sticker from the same package that says the details, and then I did my title, which is Dream of Maryland Crab Soup, and then I journaled two different thoughts, and this one says, every once in a while we are able to find real Maryland blue crab meat here in California. When we do, we buy it because, hello, we are from Maryland. And then this journaling says, no matter where you go in this world, you better believe this born and bred Marylanders. Oh, wow. Let's change that to these born and bred Marylanders will judge your crab. The world just can't compete. And then that's why I wrote crab snobs here. And I just picked these little guys that I thought worked with the layout. Then I pulled out some Minty Meadow Spiegelmom Scraps sequins and created clusters of 3 with 3 clusters of 3 to do this diagonal embellishment line that I had created, and didn't really realize that that is what I was doing while I was composing the layout. And then so I just have like a pink, a mint, and a yellow, which is pretty much the theme of this entire layout. You might think that this pop of dark blue is kind of out of place, but if you look on these arrows, these are dark blue bits on the arrows, so it does coordinate. So that's why, like, if you're looking at this, you might be thinking, wow, that's a lot of blue over there. What in the crazy world mind of Sandy does that work? And that is because there is blue over here, like a lot of blue. However, I have been known to just throw a pop of color on here that doesn't match anything else because I like it. But in this case, I actually had a reason. That was because all of this blue was over here, and I didn't want to ignore the blue, so I put it over here. And that is the layout, guys. thank you so much for watching. Thanks so much for your patience with me as I just walk you through what I did. As you guys know, I do love sharing my process, and I love walking through that with you guys and talking about it and talking about all the things while I am creating those layouts. So tomorrow, fingers crossed, I don't keep forgetting to press record, and we can actually get a process video back on this channel. See you guys again real soon for another video.